Hi guys, it's been a while, but here's a little mini vlog. So we decided to go to this park because it was sunny outside and we didn't want to go back inside just yet. And I got to use my picnic blanket. Oh my god, it was one of those rare sunny days in England, and I did happy feet. So I was setting up my little blanket under the tree so I could get like a shade and like a sun at the same time. And I was having a time because I was outside. No, don't be fooled because it's sun, I think it warm. It wasn't that warm, and I later had to move the blanket into the sun because the shade was too cold. So this little one now decided that he wanted to go over to the slide and swings, and it just ran off. So now me have to run breathless behind him, and this is him telling the things them, running into the things them, sliding off of the things them, and all the things that babies do in the park.
Look, a slide. Go, baby.
So then we had to go back over to the lawn part of the park because too many big kids were in the play area. I'm a good one. So a good thing we did bring him like a bubble gun, and I could lay down and relax while he plays with his bubble gun. And then the breeze start blow the bubble him, so if I investigate or walk keeping or do something, why the bubble him now come towards him. So I turn him direction and them start flow again. Then he get tired of it and then he start run, and he thought I run him down. And while then gone, I just lay down and relax my little nerves and record them. Then the breeze started all the way I look for, so we decided to go home. But the day was so lovely, so we didn't want to go back in the house just yet. So we decided to take a trip to Brixton, and we hop, skip, and jump on a bus and made our way. Took a little while, but we made it in the end. And this is when we reached the market, and I'm just looking around, seeing what they have. I started some fish put on the side, and I said, why do I not nothing? I realized they're mackerel, and I saw them put on the mackerel. Like, okay. So Jerome decided to go in the people them shop, got the people halal shop, got asked for pork, and he know he not getting no pork in them, but him still got in the ask for pork. So he just walk off because he can't take it, he can't take the embarrassment. You have a man on the next side, I sell pot and curtain and sheet. All the things are there. Anything you want, you can find it here. So we walked around a little bit more, and I said to Jamaica shirt and so, but we didn't want to, we just walk a look. The man here sells soup and something, right? And some patty. You have a little pumpkin, a little green banana, a little East Indian, yeah. A little jelly, a little coconut. I'm selling a little curtain and something here, so. Then this guy we were going to under the top of him. Have the stuff them, have the things them, but you must sell them so expensive. Your cran water, your crackers, your bunny, bag juice, everything the man have, red and white cornflakes, everything the man have, but the man has sell something so expensive. So we just continue work, we don't know and what's so special about him something them, because everybody else has sell something but feed them more expensive. Anyways, I'm gonna buy my butter and cheese roll on the next side, and we went home. That was our day. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.